Hey guys, RTT back here for another video. Guys, today we'll be taking a look at a Galaxy Fold 3 launcher for the Surface Duo. So with the recent release of the Galaxy Fold 3, we saw some really beautiful images, right? The screen is beautiful, the launchers are beautiful, everything about the device is beautiful. Well, with that in mind, somebody went ahead and created a launcher for the Galaxy Fold 3 that you can use on other Android devices. Now, of course, most Android devices, this just simply isn't really a big deal. But when you look at the Surface Duo, which is very comparable to the Galaxy Fold 3, it kind of all fits together. So starting off right away, this is a launcher as you guys can see on the screen. Now this launcher is really actually dope. So it has a lot of looks as it would on the Fold 3. Obviously it does have the background image, which is the theme for the Fold 3, and also does have the same kind of applications, which I really do like. Now this is actually a Fold 3 launcher running out of another launcher. It's actually running out of the Action launcher. You can run the same exact theme out of many different launchers. It's just kind of like a skin of what the Galaxy Fold 3 would look like. So starting off right away, like I said, yes, you do have all the applications that look like the Fold 3. You also have that gigantic search bar, which we have seen on the Fold 3 in many different videos. Now, if you scroll up, that's when you go ahead and get into all your different type of applications, which are really, really cool. Now, starting off right away, if we go ahead and scroll down these applications, you will see that all my applications are here, and I also even have a button at the very bottom here that says customize and new folder, which I can add a new folder and actually add whatever applications I want to go ahead and add to it. Now there are plus versions of course this that I can add if I want to, but again, I'm not really getting the plus version of this launcher because the Action launcher is great. I've reviewed it already. It's just simply not my cup of tea. With that in mind though, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at what else you can do with this launcher. So you can go ahead and add, customize, edit, home screen, home settings, wallpaper, widgets. Of course, this is, what the Fold 3 would look like, but you can even customize this even more if you are rocking this and you're like, hey, I got a Surface Duo, but I want to have that Fold 3 type of look. You can go ahead and get that with this device and even customize it even more. Of course, you go ahead and add some widgets. There's a lot of cool widgets with the Action launcher, which I do like. Like I said, I'm not going to get the premium version, but you can still rock this version and have a really good time at actually utilizing a lot of stuff that are added onto this. So going down this list here, we of course have the Chrome, we have Clock, we have Contacts, Google Drive, and at the very beginning, this is what I'll do. Like the Action launcher has the widget stacks, the Action dash usage, all apps, animated clock. We also have date at a glance, Google Pill. Google Pill. I've never heard of Google Pill. And we also have weather. And there's a lot of widgets, as you guys can see here. A lot of them being generic widgets that we see with a lot of other, type launchers. So nothing too crazy special, but still very, very awesome. But that is pretty much it when it comes to what this Fold 3 launcher actually gives you. Now, if you go ahead and go into the Fold 3 launcher settings, you will see that we do, of course, have some cool features, which again is going to be top ranked wallpapers, app wallpapers, most visited wallpapers, and apply theme. Of course, like I said, you can apply this theme to any single launcher you want. It doesn't just have to be the launcher that I'm using right now, the Action launcher. You can actually use this with any single launcher you want. So if you are personally, let's say you want to run this theme and you're like, oh, I want to run this on a certain launcher that I like, and I don't really like the Action launcher, there is a ton of other launchers you can run this exact same theme on and get the exact same look at the Galaxy Fold 3 here, and that look absolutely gorgeous. So I will definitely say out of 10, I'm going to give this bad boy a solid 6 because I think it is cool. It's not really a launcher dedicated to the Galaxy Fold 3 rather than just a kind of like a One UI skin type of thing where it skins over what is the Galaxy Fold 3. So that is kind of disappointing. I wish it was more or less just, really customized to actually have the functionality that the Galaxy Fold 3 does have. But at the same time, no, it does give you a lot of the same look and it gives you a lot of the same, features when it comes to the actual, menu bar right here and the app how the app looks, and also if you scroll up, all that kind of stuff. So it is kind of cool in that aspect, but not as much as we want to see. But again, if you want to pick up the Galaxy, if you want to get that Galaxy Fold 3 experience, you got to pick it up. Guys, unboxing on this channel on this upcoming Friday for the Galaxy Fold 3. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys